Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I on number 1, we need to find the limit as approach to negative number 2 on the right. Here is about negative number 2 on the right. That's equal on this way. We can see that when s approach to negative number 2 on the right, we know that this is about number 4. So the value of this one, that should be about number 4. Number 2, s approach to negative number 2. We can see that on the left, we have negative number 2. On the right, we have positive number 4. So on the left, not equals to on the right. That means the limit does not exist. So we write D and E. The next one, S approach to number 1. So here is about number 1. Number 1 on the left, we have number 1. Number 1 on the right, we still have number 1. So the value of this one equals to number 1. The next one, s approach to negative infinity. This one will go to negative infinity. We can see that the graph they will go to like this. And that is about negative number 3. So the value of this one equals to negative number 3. The next one, the average rate of change of B from s equal to number 2 to s equals to number 3. So the formula of this one, that should be about f of number 3 minus f of number 2 over number 3 minus number 2. But in this situation, they use about b. So we change this one into b in here. So at number 3, that's it from here, and location in here, that's about number 1. At b equal to number 2, we see that that's about number 1. So b of number 3 equals to b of number 2. When we minus together, this one you have number 0. And this is the answer for question number 5. Question number 6, we need to find this limit. And we know that this limit in here, that is about the derivative by definition. So in this one, we have first the derivative of b at s equal to number 4. So in this one, we can find about the slope of b at s equal to number 4. So here is about number 4 in here. And we need to find the slope of this one. We see that this is about the strength line. So we can use about the value of number 3 and the value of number 5. We can find the slope in here. Or maybe can use about number 3 and number 4. So that should be about b number 4 minus b number 3 over 4 minus number 3. So b at number 4, we have number 3. B number 3, we have number 1. So we calculate this one and we have number 2. And number 2, that's it, the answer for question number 6. The next one, determine if each statement is true or false. Number 1, b is continuous at s equals to number 1. So at s equals to number 1, we see that we have the white dot. The white dot that means no value in here. So this is about false, because we have the white dot, we don't have the value, so that's not continuous. B1 is undefined, so we see that we have the black dot in here, they have the value, so B number 1 in here, that's about number 3, so that means this one is false. This is the end. Thank you for watching.